comes the quiz to test you. Are you an animal expert? Are you all ready? Question number 1. Which animal is bigger? A gorilla or a monkey? Of course, the answer is a gorilla. Next question. Which elephant has got smaller ears? Asian elephant or African elephant? The answer is Asian elephant. Question number 3. Which camel has got more humps? The Arabian camel or the Bactrian camel? The correct answer is the Bactrian camel because it has 2 humps on its back. Next question. Which animal is heavier? A panda or a polar bear? The answer is a polar bear. Next question. Which animal is faster? A tortoise or a snail? The correct answer is a tortoise. Last but not least, which animal is stronger? A rhino or a hippo? Of course, the answer is a hippo. That's all for the quiz. Thank you. See you then. Bye-bye.